What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a miniature keyboard and touchpad. This one is the H20 mini wireless keyboard and touchpad by TNAIVE, I guess, TNAIVE? It's naive spelt with a T. Anyway, this thing is compatible with Windows, Android TV, Mac OS, Linux, pretty much just about anything with a USB port you're gonna be able to plug this thing into. Oh, that looks so slick. Okay, so first off, we've got about a foot long USB to micro USB cable, and then you've got the USB dongle itself. It is a 2.4 gigahertz. Oh man, see, that looks slick. What makes this thing really, really cool is you've got your full QWERTY keyboard on this side, but you flip it over and you have an entire touch panel here. Not only is the touch panel have touch features, so depending on how many fingers or the combination you use, you can do different functions, but you can also change the color by using like 4 fingers. Another interesting feature about this, it automatically identifies which side you're using. So similar to a smartphone, it has a, what is it, a gyro sensor? So it knows which side is up and down. So when you do this, it'll turn off the keyboard side. When you do this, it'll turn off the touchpad side. So that's really cool. But not only that, it also knows which orientation you're using it in. So if I'm using the touchpad like this, I can actually use it like this as well if I want to hold it like a standard TV remote. There's also an auto sleep and an auto wake up feature, so you don't have to worry about turning it on and off. Of course, you will save even more battery if you do. So as you can see, you know, you've got your display here, you've got all your F keys, and you've got your standard QWERTY keyboard, but of course you've got your function button, so you have control over your volume, you got mute, play, and pause. On the actual back of the touch panel itself, it actually has some basic features already here. 4 fingers, touch, and hold to change the backlit's color. Let's try it. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, so it doesn't have a signal, obviously. I don't have it plugged in, but there you go. It lights up H20. Oh, you can dim it. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so when I go like this, so now it's lit up, and on the bottom, yeah, there's no light on the bottom. Very cool. I'm gonna try the 4 finger. Oh! And you just leave it on there and it just keeps changing. Oh, I like that a lot. I didn't know that that lit up right there. That's pretty cool. I'm digging that. Okay, let's get this thing connected because I want to try this thing out. Now, one thing that I noticed in a previous one that I've looked at, the signal wasn't all that great. In this case, I'm gonna definitely test the signal out for you guys now. Okay, so, oh, look at that. It's already solid. Awesome. All right, so I'm holding it in the horizontal position, and as you can tell, going up is up, down is down, left is right. But if I turn it like this, and I hold it in the vertical position, look, you can see that it automatically detected that, and it switched it from horizontal to vertical. That's really cool. It works. All right, let's try the volume functions on here. Hold function and then volume. Yep, that's working. This thing's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna check the distance on this thing. So real quick, I'm just gonna take this out there because this room is small. I'll be back. All right, so I actually got about 25 feet and I ran out of room and there was 0 skip whatsoever. The whole time I'm sitting there moving the cursor around. I didn't see any kind of jumping or anything like that. It seemed to be a very solid connection. This will definitely cover your living room or even a larger space. Like I said, I got like 25 feet. I'm sure you could even go more. It feels like it's made out of a good material. It doesn't feel cheap in the hand. It's got a little weight to it. It's not heavy, but it does have a little weight to it. It feels like a TV remote, which is pretty cool with the addition of a full QWERTY keyboard. It's super thin. I mean, look how thin that is. It's as thin as a phone. Here's my phone with a case on it. It's about the same. It's really nice. And the touchpad, it's very smooth. It seems to be very accurate. One thing that I was kind of hoping for is that the touchscreen would like go all the way to the edges. That would be really cool. But on the other hand, this gives you room to hold, which is good. That's definitely good because you don't want to have to do this every time. That's just annoying. You've got room for the meat of your hand to sit there and not mess with the touchpad itself. This thing's cool. Yeah. This is definitely cool. I'm glad I checked this one out. As of recording this video, it's like 20 bucks. So that's definitely, yeah, this is definitely worth 20 bucks. I would expect something like this that works this well to be more than $20 for sure. If you're like me and you use a wireless keyboard mouse combo like in your living room or in an area where you don't want to be like up close, this would be a perfect replacement for that larger setup. Absolutely awesome. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.